Okay, I would like to just show you. Is it possible to have a tomato plant or other plants during winter? So I have this tomato right now, and I have one tomato. I have a flower already. So okay, and I have some oregano as well, and I have some basil, and I have some melon. Okay, I have a lemon as well. Okay, these are inside my home. Okay, tara, let's see. Okay, okay, so here are my plants. Alright, so I have onion leeks, I have basil, okay, and I have my guayabano, I have my mint, avocado pala, I have my avocado, sorry for that, and I have my oregano as well. Here are the oreganos and the rosemary. Okay, so if you ask, is it possible to have plants during winter? The answer is yes. Okay, so you just left it near the window or the door so that it can still have sunlight, but at the same time it's inside the house so that it will not dried up or it will not die because of the weather.
Hi, Daddy.
Hello, baby. So I have pineapple as well. Okay. Alright, that's it. Thank you.